grading here. So at first I'll this one. Okay, going to my color grading for my channel. Okay, here it is. So this one is danger. It's mean red. Okay, it's mean sorry. My mouse is so lol. It's red. And also here is red. This is red. In the middle, you can use white. Is it good? Okay, so we will have white, then we'll uncheck here. So at first we'll getting color, another color for our G here. Not the same, but we'll change our color. Okay, just a minute. Sorry, it's bad. Okay, I'll change the color here. Here we can. Oh man, sorry for that because here is uncheck the color here. Why, bro? Sorry for that. Let's say just I'm noob. Okay, here now I can create here the white. Okay, so I'm going to here change this color to any of these. Maybe it's green or something. Okay, listen to some this color, also this color. This one is good, maybe, you know. And send this one. Okay. So select this one. And the same style is here. Maybe this style, this one. Okay. And create a new color here in the middle. Okay. Select this one and it's to be white. I think it's not beautiful. Black is beautiful. So the bar we have used same. Okay, bar is not the shape, so you have to go and expand here. The first we will expand fill and stroke, then select this one and auto it's going to the effect here. So at first we select here the red cone. Okay, so it's good now, maybe I'm not sure. Okay, maybe it's good, but I'll changing few more things here. Can I change the background color? Okay, let's. Oh man, just save this project here because it's okay. Name the export X Danger Gaming. Okay. Save this one. So here we can change the background color because background color is too white here. So now select and tools here. So in the rectangle tool and click here the left button and here is our size in the first we will delete. Okay. अबे यार क्या ही. Okay, we have to the middle in the. Okay. Oh yeah, it's so beautiful here. It's so beautiful. Okay, so you have to sense the DPI to more bold here. Just a moment, so I can sense here and the opacity. Okay, I will also create another okay. Control C